Hello friends, welcome to our channel Health is Wealth, where we share tips and tricks for healthy life, maintaining healthy and beautiful skin, hair care, healthy diet and many more. In this video, we will be discussing some tips and tricks for keeping your skin healthy and moisturized during the winter months. As the temperature drops, it's important to take extra care of our skin to protect it from the harsh cold weather. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. One of the most important things you can do for your skin during the winter is to moisturize regularly. The cold weather can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and flaky. Look for a moisturizer that is heavy and oil-based, as these types of moisturizers will provide the most protection against the elements. Use sunscreen. Just because the sun isn't as strong during the winter doesn't mean you should skip sunscreen. UV rays can still penetrate through the clouds and cause damage to your skin. Look for a sunscreen that has at least SPF 30 and that is specifically designed for the face. Protect your lips. Lips are particularly susceptible to dryness and cracking during the winter. To protect your lips, use a lip balm or chapstick that contains sunscreen and that is formulated with moisturizing ingredients like beeswax or coconut oil. Exfoliate gently. Exfoliating is an important step in any skincare routine, but it's especially important during the winter. Gently exfoliating your skin will remove dead skin cells and help your moisturizer to penetrate more deeply. Avoid hot showers. Hot showers may feel good on a cold day, but they can be very dehydrating for your skin. Try to take lukewarm or cool showers instead, and limit your shower time to no more than 10 minutes. Hydrate from the inside. Drinking enough water is important for maintaining healthy skin all year round, but it's even more important during the winter. Cold weather can dehydrate your skin from the inside out, so make sure you're drinking enough water to keep your skin hydrated. By following these tips and tricks, you can help protect your skin from the harsh cold weather and keep it looking and feeling healthy all winter long. Remember to moisturize regularly, use sunscreen, protect your lips, exfoliate gently, avoid hot showers, and hydrate from the inside. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification when I post new videos. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment on our channel for more healthcare advice and tips.